What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, Buy the Dip. That is right, guys. Hope you all are ready for today's video, and we're going to talk about two of my favorite OTC gambling stocks. That's right, and I got them in my Fidelity account, and I'm super excited. I put them right in the title because I want people that support these OTC stocks to see this video. That's right, we're going to talk about FANSUNITE, and we're going to talk about the Score Gaming and Media. Guys, I've talked about these on the channel before, and I'm just going to go to the whiteboard and show you what kind of gains I've got since then. So guys, let's go to the whiteboard, baby! Alright guys, and here we are at the whiteboard, and we're going to go over this information on the board, so let's get to it. Guys, first we're going to talk about the Score Media and Gaming Company. On the OTC, that ticker symbol is TSCRF. Make sure you get that right if you do not have this stock. So let's talk about this. I talked about this stock about a couple weeks ago, actually. And when I told you guys to buy this, guys, this stock was, actually it was $1.39 at that video, but I purchased this stock at $1.43. And as you know, when you buy a stock, what happens? It literally drops the next day. It went down 4 cents. So currently, guys, what is that stock trading at the close of Friday? $2.29 a share now. I'm up over 60%, guys, on that investment. So I hope if anyone picked up that stock, please comment down below. Did you pick up the Score when I recommended it at $1.39 and now we're $2.29? Guys, here's one that I must say, I think all my viewers kind of led me to this stock. And this stock is ticker symbol FUNFF, FANSUNITE, also known as the Funff. And guys, this stock here is doing phenomenal as well. When I first got into this stock, guys, I bought it at 62 cents. Currently, that stock right now is 90 cents. And if there's anyone out there quoting me on the exact price, here's the exact price. 0.8953 at the close of Friday on Fidelity. But round it up to 90 cents to keep the video good. But anyway, guys, currently on that investment, I am up 44%. And when I bought that stock, I did a video about a month or so ago. So if anyone picked up that stock when I recommended it, please comment down below. Do you have either the Score Gaming or Media or Funff in your portfolio? And if you do, how much percentage are you up? These are two plays that I'm looking to add more to in my Fidelity portfolio. And guys, of course, if these things ever dip, always remember to buy the dip. All right, guys, and here we are on the FANSUNITE.com webpage under investors. Guys, they have a lot of great information, and we're going to cover that information right here. So if we get out here and look, FANSUNITE is building global infrastructure to connect the world's gaming platforms through the new technology. Found out more about the FANSUNITE approach to capturing value in the growing sports betting market. So there it is. Look at this here. Here's some good press releases. December 16th, FANSUNITE announces upsizing previously announced private placement to $11 million. Here's another one on the 16th. FANSUNITE and GameCo is to create the first esports sportsbook in the United States. So that is good. If you don't know, FANSUNITE is based in Canada, but they're looking to get here to the United States. And that's funny because as we get into Score Media, you're going to see where that's kind of similar. So let's keep going here on FANSUNITE. December 15th, FANSUNITE Entertainment announces a $5 million brokered private placement led by Gravitas Securities, Inc. On the 7th, FANSUNITE receives the multi-gaming service and crucial gaming supply license. Guys, a lot of great information. I love when you get on someone's page and they have their press releases on there and they keep their investors up to date. I do love that. Guys, here's a little information. This is on also the Canada Exchange, CSE under fans, and the capital structure here. Shares outstanding 154 million. Reserve for insurance 16.2 million. The market capitalization $177.9 million market cap. Here's a great couple things. Why invest? So you ask yourself, why do we want to invest in this small cap company? Why do we want to do that? We got You know, we got the big boys out there on the NASDAQ. Why do we want to invest in this OTC sports gambling betting, operation? So the technology, FANSUNITE innovate B2B technology infrastructure and future-facing solutions for the sports betting industry. The growth, sports betting and esports gaming are rapidly growing markets across the globe with strong demographics as more countries open their doors to gaming. The acquisition and aggressively roll-up strategy targeting businesses in the gaming industry with active user bases, revenues, and growth potential. Guys, here you can contact them. Right there's their address, the website. You can keep up with it. Guys, this here is a winner. I'm telling you right now, at the current price at 90 cents, I mean, look at like DraftKings right now. What is that, like $55, $60 a share? You get this thing for 90 cents. You buy it now and you put it away. That is the good suggestion to do. When you do something with these little companies that are starting out right now and they're a very small market cap, just think about it, guys. With the sports coming back in and things starting to get back on track, we're getting the vaccines coming out. This is going to be big. So, like I said, this is one that if you decide, OTC can be risky, but I'm going to pick up a little bit more of this, and we're going to get in and talk about our next stop, and we're going to see what we're going to do with that one. So, guys, let's get over here and talk about the Score Gaming and Media. All right, guys, and here we are on ScoreMediaandGamingCompany.com. Guys, this here is another interesting play. I saw Mr. John Levy on here on the Fox Business a few weeks back. I came on, did a video for you guys to say you might want to get in here and take a look at this and maybe suggest it to pick up some shares and see what happens. And your boy went in and bought some shares, and now I'm up. What does the whiteboard say? We're up 60% on that investment. I wish I would have bought more. But anyway, that is hindsight. Now we know what it's doing. This is a great time to go in and possibly pick up some more. Here's the thing. This company is also based out of Canada, but look what's on the home page. They talked about this on the Fox Business, and now it's official. The Score Bet is now live in New Jersey, Indiana, and Colorado. That is huge, guys. And I know that he was on there talking about the basketball is only going to be in the one state, and I believe it's Indiana. And all the basketball games are going to be in Indiana. And they are now live and legal in Indiana. So not only are they in Canada, but they are now in the United States, and they're working their way in with 3 states already. The stock is doing good. I like to pick up some more, actually, and just kind of hang on to it. So let's get in here and take a look at some of their other information on the company. All right, guys, and here we got the Score Reports 2020 Q4 year-end financial results. Now, we know that they took a little bit of a beating because sports was down all year, basically, and they're just starting to come back up. But let's get in here and talk about some of their recent highlights. How the Score successfully began a multi-state expansion into the mobile sportsbook, launching in both Colorado and Indiana in September. As part of the launch, ScoreBet also debuted its new cutting-edge multi-state account wallet functionality, delivering a seamless cross-state experience for fans as it expands across the United States via single app, which is really nice. And the company anticipates launching the ScoreBet next in Iowa in early calendar of 2021, subject to receiving the relevant license and regulatory approvals. ScoreBet secured market access to operate in New Jersey, a multi-year agreement with the Twin River Worldwide Holdings. So that's how they're doing it here, guys. They're getting in here, getting deals with these casinos to be able to get in there to do the sports betting. Score is now traded on the OTC market, but they have here the Canada market right there. The Score appointed a sports business leader and 4-time Olympian Angela Rodrigo to his board of directors. Ms. Rodrigo is the CEO and founder of technology-powered market research firm, the Sports Innovation Lab. Will support the Score to continue its growth in the media operations across North America. The Score closed and bought a deal offering a short form Prosperous The Offering, raising gross proceeds of $25.6 million for the company. Net proceeds of the company will be used to fund the working capital of other general corporate purposes, including the growth and expansion of our sports betting in the U.S. and Canada. So that is a lot of good stuff here, guys. Basically, it talks about more of, what's going on with the pandemic and all. And down here, it does say the financial results. Total revenue for Q4 was $2.5 million compared to $6.4 million the same last year, while the total revenue for the 12 months ended August 31st was $20 million compared to $31 million for the same period last year. And the reason they were down was because of the big pandemic is why it was down, and they did lose money. They're currently losing money. But I think now, as you see, sports are coming back up. This is the time to get in these companies, guys, when they were beat down because of the pandemic. And now they have a chance to come out here and get some great gains. As you can see, these revenue losses here was $8.3 million versus $4.1 last year. Yes, they lost more money this year because they didn't have no sports going on and they wasn't able to create no revenue. So guys, I hope this is a couple stocks that I think you all would consider taking a look at. They have more of the financials on here. I think you should go in and look at those investor presentations, read through them. But I think these are two kind of recovery stocks in the sports betting field that have really great potential, and I can only suggest to you guys to go take a look at them and see what you think. I have them currently in my Fidelity account, and yes, I plan on getting some more. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you, and guys, I will catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby. Let's go!